today's game, I picked up these little splash balls and paddles at the dollar store, and instead of playing it regular where you toss from one to the next, we're actually going to turn our rackets around, put our ball in first, and then try and bounce it from the net onto the handle and back into the net. Did you just do it? Good job. So the first person to do it 3 times is a winner. You ready?
Yeah.
He's already getting a jump start, huh? All right, on your mark. Get set, go.
Wait, I got it inside mine.
You did?
I did, but it bounced off.
Oh no, as long as it went back in, you still get it.
1,
2. Oh, I'm 2. You gotta try and get ahead of me. How is it?
2.
Oh dear, you're gonna get a jump start. How many are you at?
2.
2? Alright.
Yes, I got it.
Did you really? Well, mine flew off. He just won the game. High five. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give us a big thumbs up down below. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you next time.
Bye-bye.